Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh, and in this video I'm going to talk about one of the best source code editor. So I'm going to talk about Visual Studio Code Editor. I'm using this code editor from last 4 months and I feel this is the best code editor. So there are many options are given here. As shown in this video, you can copy entire directory into the editor and you can access all the files in that directory here. So you can see here, this is a directory. You can open all the files inside that and you can edit it here. So you can edit all type of files here, like text document or like your PHP files, HTML files or JS, all type of files you can edit here. And I feel this is the best code editor from Microsoft, and also this is a free and open source software, so no need to pay anything. Download link is given in my description, and also check my blog. The link is given in description. Please do support by subscribing my channel. Thank you.